Actually, you said twice. Good morning. Okay. So 12th.
Sorry, sir.
No, it's okay. No issue. Okay. First 12th. 15 upon 2. 15 upon 2. Less than 2x plus 5 upon 2. This is the question. Okay. Now we have to solve for x. So we can take 5 by 2 on that side. So 15 upon 2 minus 5 upon 2 is less than 2x. Okay. First 12th question. Okay. Now take the LCM. LCM is 2. 15 minus 5 less than 2x. It will be how much? 10 by 2 less than 2x. It is how much? 5
Morning, sir.
less than 2x. Okay. Or we can write it like this as well. 2x greater than 5. We can write this equation as this. This inequation as this. Now x greater than 5 by 2. X greater than 2.5. So replacement set is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So greater than 2.5. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Understood this one? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So whenever fraction comes, convert it into decimal. Okay. Now greater than 2.5, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That will be the answer. Understood? Okay. Any more doubts? Any more doubts?
No, sir.
Second question.
Sir,
Yes.
third first.
Third first. Just a
Sir,
minute.
first 11th.
Okay, in first question. In first question, any doubt? 11th doubt is there. Any more doubts? In first question.
The 10th question.
10th question, I think we have done. 10th,
Yes, sir.
10th, and 11th. Okay. Any more doubts? In first question. First question, any more
Sir,
doubts?
14th.
Okay, 14th. 14th as well, I think.
Sir,
We haven't done
14th.
14th. Okay, these three questions. Any more? Okay, first question, three doubts are there. Okay. So see here, 10th question first. Minus 2x plus 7 upon 2 is less than half. Okay, this is the question. Okay, take the constants on the other side. Minus 2x less than 1 by 2 minus 7 upon 2. This we have done. Minus 2x less than. Okay, whenever you have doubt, just go through the video once. Okay, because most of the questions we have already done. This as well we have done. So minus 2x less than, take the LCM. 1 minus 7 minus 2x less than minus 6 upon 2 minus 2x less than minus 3. Okay. Or now see here, as we are dividing by a negative number, minus 2. So sign will change. The sign will change. So it will be x less than, it will be, sign will change. So it will become greater than. Whenever we are dividing or multiplying by a negative number, the sign reverses. Okay. So x greater than, it will be minus 3 divided by minus 2. X greater than 3 by 2. X greater than 1.5. Now you can find the elements 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Understood this one? Any doubt in this? Okay, 11.
Sir, which question is this?
This is first 10th. Okay, now first 11th. 11 minus 3x. This is what we have done. So always once go through the video. We have already done. If you haven't understood, then ask. But at least go through it once. Okay, this is the question. Now see here. Take 11 on the right hand side. minus 3x greater than equal to 9 minus 11. Minus 3x greater than equal to minus 2. Now we'll be dividing by minus 3 both sides. So sign
Sir,
will
3 upon
reverse.
2.
So it will be x, sign will change. Sign will be less than equal to minus 2 upon minus 3. X less than equal to 2 upon 3. So convert it into decimals, point something.
0.67.
So 0.666, that will be 0.6666. So x less than equal to 0.67, you can write 4.666, it's fine, no issue. You can round it off as well. Okay. Now greater than, less than equal to 0.67. Only what will be the answer? 0. Only 0 is less than 0.67. So 0 is the answer. Okay. Now which one? 14th. So always remember to change the sign, to reverse the sign whenever we are dividing or multiplying by a negative number. Or else your answer will be wrong. N plus 2 greater than 3n minus 1 upon 2. Okay. This is there. So we can write it like this. N plus 2 greater than 3n upon 2 minus 1 by 2. Or you can do one thing here. You can take 2 on this side as well. That will be, I think, more easy. Okay. We go with that. Okay. You can either solve like this or you can multiply both sides by 2. So it will be how much? 2n plus 4 greater than 3n minus 1. Okay. What you have done? You have just multiplied with 2. Okay. We can write it like this. Now n on one side, 4 on one side. Okay. So either you can take 2n this side or 3n that side. Okay. I'm taking 3n that side. So 2n minus 3n greater than minus 1 minus 4. Understood this one? Minus n greater than minus 5. Now either we can multiply by minus 1 or divide by minus 1. The sign will change. So sign changes and it will be n less than 5. Understood this one? So mainly I think mistake you made was the sign.
Sir, can you explain first 13th?
Post 13th. What you haven't understood in that question?
Sir,
Hmm?
sir,
4x minus, yes.
sir, if we want to show infinity numbers on number 9, sir, we can draw only bold arrow, or sir, it is compulsory to draw three dots also.
No, just bold arrow. Bold arrow. Okay.
Sir, the
Either
dots are
3
not
dots.
compulsory.
No, they are not compulsory. Either dots or bold arrow. Any one of them. Okay. But we prefer mainly the arrow. Arrow is fine. Okay. Remove the dots. Okay. Just bold arrow. Okay. That is fine. So 4x minus 2 less than 3x plus 1. Okay. Okay. First out in the see here. Open the bracket. 4x minus 8 less than 3x plus 1. X terms on one side. It is 14th question. First 14th. Okay. This we have done in class as well. So 4x minus 3x. Always go through the video afterwards.
Sir, your screen is not clear.
Okay, just switch off, just turn it off once and
Sir, very clear.
just turn it off your screen. Okay, just turn it off once
Sir,
or log in again. Okay, 4x minus 3x and minus 8 this side, it will be 1 plus 8. So it will be how much? X less than 9. This will be the answer. X less than 9. So what all elements will be there? replacement 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The whole replacement set is the solution set. Understood? Okay. See, if you are not getting the answer,
It's not there.
yes.
Sir, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Sir, 8 should also be there.
No, 7, 8, 8 is not there, up to 7 only. Because replacement set, from replacement set only we can take the solution. Okay. So do one thing, see here. Whenever you're solving a question, if you're not getting the answer, leave that, take rough notebook, start solving from start. Okay. Don't look whatever you're solving here. Okay. Look first, try to solve in rough. Okay. So you may not make mistake there. Okay. Always check it once. Okay. Now second question, any doubt in second question? In second question, any
Sir,
doubt?
first. Sir, first.
First, second, first.
Sir, fourth. Sir, fourth question. Sir, second, fourth.
1 minute, 1 minute.
Sir, third first.
Third,
Sir.
wait for a minute. We
Sir,
will
I
be
want-
first, second. Yes.
Sir,
Second,
in-
first. Yes.
Sir. Sir.
Yes.
Sir, in second, fourth, sir, that P is equals to 1, sir. What is meaning that?
P. See here. What does X mean? X is the variable here. Similarly, P is the variable. Okay. I means integers. Okay. P belongs to integers. P belongs to integer. That is, P is integers. P will be integers. Okay. So integers minus infinity, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Okay. Integers we all know. I means integers. Okay. So second, first, any more in second?
Sir, second, sixth.
Sixth is there. Okay. Second, sixth. Any more? So you will make me to solve all the questions.
Sir,
Okay. Yes. Second, fifth. Second, fifth as well. Okay.
second fifth also.
Fifth, yes, these three doubts anymore. Okay, so first, x minus 2 less than 3. This we have done in class. X belongs to whole number. This is the question. Now, x less than 3 plus 2. X less than 5. Whole numbers, what will be the replacement set of whole numbers? 0, 1, 2, 3 up to infinity. This is the replacement set. So solution set will be what? Less than 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Understood? Okay, we have to represent it graphically as well. Okay. So this is the solution set, or there's no need of writing the solution set. You can directly represent on the number line as well. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Now 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Less than 5. It means 0. Circle it and fill the circle. This will be the solution. Understood? Okay, now fifth first. Okay. Minus 2m less than equal to minus 8. Minus 2m less than equal to minus 8. And m belongs to natural numbers, I think. Natural numbers. Okay. So n is our replacement set. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. No need of writing that one. Okay. No need of writing the replacement set. M belongs to natural numbers. Okay. On number line, we'll do that. So see here, minus 2m less than equal to minus 8. So divide by minus 2 both sides. M and sign will change. Minus 8 divided by minus 2. M greater than equal to minus equal to 4. Understood this one? So draw the number line. M greater than equal to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Greater than equal to 4. So 4 is included, 5 is included, 6, 7. Now it will be up to infinity, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So bold the arrow. Okay, that much. Okay. Understood this one? So it represents 4 is there, 5 is there, 6, 7 up to infinity. It will continue 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and all. Okay. Now sixth one.
Sir, fourth question also, sir, explain.
Okay. Okay, fourth first. 4p greater than minus 12. 4p greater than minus 12, where p belongs to integers. Okay. P belongs to integers. So integers minus infinity, then minus 4, minus 3. It is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 up to infinity. Those are the integers. So here negative values are also included. Whole numbers plus negative numbers. Okay. So 4p greater than minus 12. So p greater than minus 12 divided by 4. P greater than minus 3. Okay. Greater than minus 3. So number line, I start with, this is minus infinity, minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. It is greater than minus 3. So which all integers will be included? Minus 3, it is greater than, so minus 3 won't be included. Okay, not equal to. So it will start with from minus 2. Minus 2, minus 1, 0. Always draw this bigger dots. Okay. 1, 2, 3, and now bold the arrow. So it denotes greater than minus 3. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. It is going up to infinity. Understood this one? Okay, fifth one now. Fifth we are done, I think. Fifth done. Any more doubts? Second question is over.
Sir, sixth.
Second, sixth. Okay. Sorry. 5 upon 2 minus 2x. 5 upon 2 minus 2x. Okay. Greater than equal to half, where x belongs to whole numbers. Okay. So from whole numbers, we have to pick the answer for x. Okay. So 5.2, take on this side, minus 2x greater than equal to 1 by 2 minus 5.2. Minus 2x, let us take the LCM, it will be minus 4 upon 2 minus 2x greater than equal to minus 2. Okay, now we will divide by minus 2. So sign will change. Here will be x1, x less than equal to 1, and x belongs to whole numbers. So what will be the answer? Which we will circle?
0 and 1.
So whole numbers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. It is less than 1, 0, equal to 1, 0 and 1. Okay. This number line, it's better always to draw with pencil. This number line, it's better always to draw with pencil. If we make mistake, we can rub it and again we can mark. Okay. Solve with pen, draw with pencil. Okay. If you don't have the time in examination, draw with pen. That's up to you. But always prefer to draw with pencil. Okay. Third question, any doubt? Yes, in third question. Second as well. Okay. Second, minus 3 plus x. Okay, minus 3 plus x greater than equal to half. X belongs to natural numbers. X below minus 3 plus x. Okay. So minus 3 take on right side. So x greater than equal to 1 by 2 plus 3. Take the LCM. 1 upon 2, 1 plus 6. X greater than equal to 7 upon 2. X greater than equal to 3.5. Okay, it belongs to natural number. So draw the number line 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, greater than equal to 3.5. It means 3.5 will be somewhere here. Greater than 4, 5, and this line. This arrow will mark. We will make it bold. Understood? 3.5 is not a natural number, so we cannot mark 3.5. So it will be 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to infinity. Understood this one? Okay. Third question. Any doubt?
Sir, first and third, first and last.
1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Third question. Yes.
First.
First.
Third first.
Fifth.
Third first. Fifth. Yes. Any more doubts?
Third, second, third, fourth, third, fifth.
Solve first. All questions you have now. Okay, see here. If you are having doubt in third question, first of all, how you are able to solve first and second questions. Okay. And still, if you are having doubt, you are not able to solve first and second, try to solve that chapter we have discussed, fundamental operations. Okay, go through it once again. Okay, so third first, 1 by 2x, 1 by 2x plus 2 greater than equal to x minus 1. Okay, this is the question, and x belongs to natural number. Okay, so how will we proceed further? All the x terms on one side, all the constants on other side. Okay, so 1 by 2x minus x greater than equal to minus 2 minus 1. Take the LCM 2. It will be what? X minus 2x greater than equal to minus 3. Understood this one? If you have doubt, ask immediately. Okay. And now it will be how much? Minus x upon 2 greater than equal to minus 3. Okay. So either you can multiply both sides.
Sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, in the third question, sir, we not have to represent the numbers on number line.
Solve the following inequations. No. Till if it is not
But-
asked, don't represent. Find the solution. Okay. If it is
Sir.
not asked,
Sir, but in
to represent-
question, sir, but in
Yes.
question variables are given and which numbers they refer, sir, that is also given.
in second, that's fine, but it is not asking to set to represent it graphically. Okay, till it is not asked to represent graphically, you don't have to draw the number line. Okay, you have to find the solution set. Okay, till it is not asked. Okay, and even if you draw, no issue. Okay, 1 by, so we have got this one. Either we multiply both sides by minus 2, or I'm leaving that one for time being. Okay, I'm multiplying by 2. So minus x greater than equal to minus 6. Now sign will change. So it will be less than equal to 6. And x belongs to natural number. So what will be the solution set of x? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 equal to 6. Understood this one? Okay. Solve
Sir,
second
in
one
this
now.
question we have to draw number line.
No number line. You have to solve only. If it is not asked, don't represent it on number line. This is the answer.
Okay, sir.
This is the answer. Now do the second one. And please do the homework. Most of the students are not doing homework, I know. And see, if you are having problem in addition or multiplication, go revise the chapter, fundamental operations again. Okay, do the second one now, third, second. Do third second. Four x minus 3. Less than x plus 3. X belongs to whole numbers. Whole numbers. Yes, solve this one. These are very easy questions. You have to solve the equation. Multiply with 4. 4x minus 12 less than x plus 3. 4x minus x less than 3 plus 12. Understood this one? All the x terms on one side, all the constants on other side. 3x less than 15. X less than 5. 15 upon 3. So less than 5. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That will be our solution. And see, there is no use of copying from board. Try to solve it yourself. If you don't get it, ask. But try to solve. Or else you will be at loss. Okay? Never copy in mathematics. Always solve. Okay, this is clear. Now third, how to solve third? 3. Third, 3 2x minus 1. Yes. Greater than equal to 2x plus 1.
3.
3. And x belongs to
Sir,
integers.
from which date exam will start?
Okay. I do not know at present. Date have not been mentioned. Okay. So 3 into 2x minus 1 greater than equal to this. This is the equation. Okay. Inequality you have to solve. Okay. Now, what we'll be doing first? Open the bracket on left hand side. Open the bracket on right hand side. So 6x minus 3 greater than equal to 4x plus 6. Okay. Now x on one side, constants on other side. 6x minus 4x greater than equal to 6 plus 3. It will be how much? 2x greater than equal to 6 plus 3, 9. X greater than equal to 9 upon 2. X greater than equal to 4.5. So x value is what one? X belongs to integers. So what will be the value? X is greater than. So what will be the value? Equal to 4.5. See here, 4.5 is not an integer. So we cannot take 4.5. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 up to infinity. This will be the answer. 4.5 is not an integer. 5 is an integer. So 5, 6, 7. These are the numbers greater than 4.5. Understood? Okay. Fourth, try to do it yourself as homework again. Okay. Now fifth one. Fifth one, can you try? The same only. Set of all integers, negative integers. That means minus infinity to minus 1. Okay. So third question again try to solve. And if you have doubt, we will discuss on Monday. Okay. Fourth as well, you try to solve. Okay. Fourth, third, I am solving first. Okay. Fourth, third, we see. Then we move to fifth question. Okay.
Sir, after this, which chapter we will start?
We start variations, inverse variations. The chapter name is direct and inverse variations.
Yes.
Direct as well there is there. So the
Sir,
inverse
when we have to
ratios.
submit,
Yes. See here. Keep solving. If you have any doubt or haven't got the answer, text me, click the pic and send me on WhatsApp. Okay, I'll figure out your mistake. Okay. If any problem occurs, if you are not able to solve particular question, text me on WhatsApp. Either you can ask in class, or if you are made some mistake or you are not able to figure out the mistake, send me on WhatsApp. Okay. So 4th, 3rd, and school is going to open soon. Okay, so complete your work.
Sir, of 8th class also.
8th class also very soon it will be opening. Okay. First 9 to 12th will open. After few days, 8th class as well will open. Okay. So
Sir,
the question
when
is
very soon?
very soon. Minus 1 minus n. So complete your work. Less than equal to n plus 1. And n belongs to all numbers. Okay, this is the question. Left hand side. Right hand side. Okay. Now first we'll open the bracket inside the curly brackets. Okay. 3, 4 and minus 8. Minus 1, here will be minus or plus. Minus 1, minus n, that will be plus n. Always remember
Plus.
this one. Plus n.
Sir,
Because outside
Sir,
the
which
bracket is
question you are
minus.
doing?
It is 4th, 3rd. 4th, 3rd. Okay. The remaining questions try to solve as a homework. And if you don't get, we'll discuss on Monday. Okay. This is there. And this side, n plus 1. Now solve within the bracket. 4n plus n. 5n minus 8 minus 1 minus 9. Less than equal to n plus 1. Open the bracket now. 3 5s are 15n and minus 27. Less than equal to n plus 1. N on one side, constants on other side. So 15n minus n less than equal to 27 plus 1. It will be how much? 14n less than equal to 28. Divide by 14, n less than equal to 2. Now, what are n? Whole numbers. So what will be the answer? Whole numbers 0,
0
1,
and 1. 2, 2.
2 as well equal to sign is there. Understood this question? So third
Yes,
question
sir.
remaining. Third question remaining. Fourth question remaining. Try to solve as homework. I'm starting with 5th now. Okay.
Sir, this question we have to represent on number line.
See here. Yes, these you have to represent on number line. Okay. So this solution set, you may write or not write. It's fine. If you don't write, it's fine. So draw the number line. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, circle it, fill it. 1, circle it, fill it. 2, circle it and fill it. Okay. Now 5th first. 5th first. Yes.
Page number.
Page number A66. You have just joined the class.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it's okay. So go through the video afterwards. Okay. Okay. So 5th first. See here. This can be solved. Okay, I'm rubbing it full. Yes, please mute yourself. Okay, 5th first. Okay, here two inequality signs are there. 4 less than minus x plus 2. Minus is outside the bracket. Okay, less than 9. And x belongs to integers. This is the inequalities here. One inequality, second inequality. How to solve this one? Okay. So what we'll do first? We open the bracket. 4. Okay. It will be minus x minus 2. Again. 9. This is there. Now what we'll do? This minus 2 will take on both sides. Or what we'll do? We add plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. We add plus 2, plus 2, plus 2. So it will be how much? 4 plus 2. Minus x will remain only. Here will be 9 plus 2. Solve this one. 6 minus x, it will be 11. Okay. Now what we'll do? We'll multiply by minus 1. So sign will change. Sign reverses. It will be minus 6 x. It will be minus 11. Okay. Or you can write it like this as well. Minus 11 x minus 6. So x lies between minus 11 and minus 6. X lies between minus 11 and minus 6. Understood this one? Any doubt till now?
Sir.
Yes. Okay. Draw the number line. Minus 11, minus 6. So which is smaller number? Minus 11 or minus 6? Tell me.
Minus 11.
Minus 11. Minus 10, minus 9, minus 6. You can take accordingly. These numbers must be there, okay? Minus 6, minus 5, minus 3. That is fine, okay? Now, minus 11 is not included. So minus 10 will be the answer. Minus 9. Okay. 8 and 7 I forgot. Minus 8, minus 7, minus 6, minus 5. Okay. Minus 8, minus 7. This will be the answer. Understood this one? X lies between minus 11 and minus 6. Okay. So minus 10, minus 9, minus 8, and minus 7. Understood this one? How to solve?
Yes,
So try to solve this exercise. Any doubt we'll discuss on Monday. And then we'll start with the direct and inverse variations. Okay. Next chapter.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. So complete
Thank
this
you, sir.
exercise. Okay. If any doubt, we'll discuss
Thank
on
you,
Monday.
sir.
Have a good day,
Thank
sir.
you. Have a good day. You too. Thank you.
Sir, good day.
Thank you. Any doubt in fifth?
Thank you, sir. Have a good day, sir.
Thank you. Have a good day.
No, sir.
And we